Alright people, what's happening? Big Ed here. Doing a hopefully short little video. Last video I believe I was working on my turn signals. I didn't have any turn signals. Well, I've got turn signals now. I was having a short or something up here. I loosened up this, moved it around a little bit, put it back in place, and so now I got turn signals. And then I had this right here was blinking as a turn signal on this side, and then the down here, the correct one was blinking. So I found out that these two wires right here were just in the wrong place. I had to switch them over. So now it blinks where it's supposed to blink. They're also blinking in the rear, and the brake light's not on anymore, and it does work, or it was working. Let's see if I'm going to be proven wrong. The hand and the foot pedal both work. That turn signal right there works. And that one right there works. So here's the new problem. I've got the original ignition hooked up right now. Let me turn this off. Alright. The original ignition switch, which is this one right here, has 4 terminals. It has that orange yellowish one going to accessory. The bluish green one, which is right here, goes to the light. It says L. The red one goes to the battery, and the white one right there goes to the ignition. Well, this wasn't going to fit. This setup right here wasn't going to fit for my new switch, or it wouldn't fit with this cover. So I got this new switch, but it's only got 3 terminals. It doesn't have the accessory terminal. So what I want to know is, this one they have a light and a accessory terminal. This one just has a light terminal. Can I run the accessory on along with the light? In other words, the yellowish orange accessory, I need to run it with the blue-green one now, because my new one only has 3 terminals. Can I do that, or is that going to be overload that circuit? Looks like the accessory goes into a 15 amp circuit breaker. Yeah, the accessory goes into that circuit breaker right there, which is 15 amps. The light terminal goes into another 15 amp breaker. And then the ignition, which is that white wire, goes into another 15 amp. And then the red one goes all the way back to the battery over there. But I need to know, excuse me, I need to know if I can run the accessory and the light one together. Y'all let me know, because I've been trying to find a ignition switch that has the accessory terminal. But I haven't found one yet. I just did a real quick look. I haven't really brainstormed it yet. But anybody got any help, let me know in the comments. Peace out.